How to start a beekeeping business in Uganda. Beekeeping, or apiculture, is the maintenance of bee colonies, commonly in man-made beehives. Beekeeping businesses require year-round monitoring of bee and hive health. Healthy bees can prosper all year if they have access to food and water. After the honey production season, bees live on pollen and stored honey until the following spring. Because this dormant period can be as long as 6 months in cold climates, a beekeeper must ensure that the bees have sufficient nutrition and a weather-protected hive. Here are the steps taken to start a beekeeping business in Uganda. Step 1. Do research about beekeeping. First and foremost on how to start a beekeeping business in Uganda is carrying out research. Gather region-specific information about the market available for your bee-related products. Ask about the challenges faced by beekeepers in your region. Ask about the locations of existing beehives and the types of honey generally produced in your area. Step 2. Obtain the required approvals. Visit your local zoning office to ensure that there are no restrictions on beekeeping within your municipal limits and to get whatever written permissions are required. If a homeowners association serves your residents, confirm that beekeeping is permitted within your development. Document that approval as well. Step 3. Make a business plan. Select a business plan with the help of a certified public accountant experienced with agricultural businesses. Obtain a business license from your city or county clerk's office and inquire about other permits. Contact your state Department of Revenue regarding a sales tax license for the sale of your bee-related products and consult an agriculture attorney about state beekeeping laws. Step 4. Buy beekeeping equipment. Beekeeping equipment can be divided into 2 categories: beekeeper protective equipment and implements to maintain the hive and harvest the honey. Beekeeping Success notes that, as the beekeeper, you'll need a light-colored bee suit that doesn't encourage bees to sting. A darker-colored hat and face veil will reduce sun glare. Obtain a bee smoker that blows smoke into the hive to calm the bees so you can work on the hive. Order a bee blower and brush to move bees away from the honey during harvest time. Other helpful, but non-essential, implements help to feed the honeybees and remove beeswax from the hive. Step 5. Get a bee colony. Contact your beekeepers association and ask whether a member has a bee colony or starter package of bees that he would like to sell. Another option is to purchase a starter package from an online supplier or from local sellers. This package should include the queen bee and other bees necessary to start your bee colony. The supplier should offer overnight delivery to minimize the time the bees are in transit. Step 6. Find a market for your honey and beeswax. Last but not least, in addition to selling honey to your friends and family, ask health food stores and neighborhood markets to display honey for sale. Evaluate the feasibility of making beeswax candles to sell in gift shops and at craft shows. Finally, market the beeswax to hardware stores and do-it-yourselfers at craft shows and flea markets. Your turn. What have you learned from the steps taken in starting a beekeeping business in Uganda?